For expiry days, we have discussed the intraday strategy in our previous video. Do we have anything for other days? Data suggests that markets are in the range of 5% for 70% of the time, and we should make most of it. Presenting our Bank Nifty Positional strategy. It's a four-legged strategy wherein we would sell options in the first two legs and the other two legs would act as a hedge. Now let's understand this with an example. Assuming Bank Nifty is trading at 34,000, so here we sell 1,200 points far out of the money call and put options, which are strike price of 35,200 call and 32,800 put. Next, we hedge this position buying 500 points far call and put options, that is strike of 35,700 call and 32,300 put. So when do we make profits? If Bank Nifty ends in the range of 1,200 points, we get to pocket the premium.
This strategy we have been running since 8th of April 2022 and the performance strike rate till date is 84%. However, one thing to note is as market continues to evolve, past performance does not mean similar success in the future. We always have been striving to improve our strategy based on prevailing market conditions and retain or improve strategy results.
This strategy is available real time under the research section of Sharekhan app, Sharekhan website and Trade Tiger. ये expiry strategy कर Sharekhan कर. So this is all about the Bank Nifty positional strategy. Watch the next video to know about Bank Nifty expiry intraday strategy.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.